All right, so let us answer some more of the questions that I have received recently about passports and TRN. Can I apply for a TRN for my 15-year-old child? Yes, you certainly may obtain a TRN number for your child. If I apply for a TRN from overseas, may I pick it up in Jamaica? Yes, you certainly may pick up your card in Jamaica. It takes a few weeks for the actual card to be ready. The number is emailed to you, but the card takes some time. When you complete the application form, or if we're completing the application for you, we will indicate which location you'd like it to be picked up. You may also designate someone to pick it up on your behalf. Of course, that person must have an authorization letter from you. May I go to Jamaica and apply for my passport if it's going to take too long overseas, or if I've applied for an emergency travel certificate? This is a follow up to the emergency certificate video that I made for the other platform. When you apply for an emergency certificate, if you do not already have an application that is being processed, you are expected to get a passport while you're in Jamaica. The emergency document is only good for going to Jamaica. When you go to apply for your passport, though, you have to get the application certified in Jamaica. You cannot get it certified in the US. Okay, I've talked over a minute and a half, so I'm going to save that for another video. All right, so stay tuned for part 2 on emergency travel certificate and getting a passport while you're in Jamaica. I'm Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.